My name is Michael Maurer. I'm the CEO of Teamwork Retail, and we're in Soho, New York today at the grand opening of the next big thing. We're working here with MasterCard, Marie Claire, Oak Labs to provide a new experience in retail. The three retailers here today are Neiman Marcus, Beta, and Garmin. Teamwork's function at this event is to provide some of the technological infrastructure that makes all the different endpoints work together.
The idea is when you walk by a store, it's kind of this assessment moment. It's that home page. Are you going to go in or not? And so here, we explain what's happening in the store to pull you in during the day, but at night, we turn the storefront into a fully interactive, shoppable window, which means this store is working for the retailer 24/7.
A consumer can explore traditional window shopping, but using technology to see precisely what's in the store and explore different products and how they relate to each other.
When you walk into the fitting room, something really interesting happens. The mirror, which seems like a beautiful, normal mirror, comes alive. And it recognizes everything that you brought in using RFID, and from there it shows you other sizes, colors, and recommended items that you might want.
You have the products on the screen and you're asking for the new size. You ask for assistance. This automatically sends a message to the associate and it alerts them to the requirement of the consumer, and we simply bring it to the fitting room. And when they're done, they simply hit the checkout button and this automatically pushes it to a cart on the mobile point of sale where they can complete their checkout experience and leave.
So Teamwork has this incredible technology that we're pre-integrated with, which we love, and it makes our lives way easier. They pull in inventory, they process point of sale, they make it so there's a virtual cart, so every customer that walks in has a decision to make. They want to have it shipped to their home, they want to take it with them. Whatever they want to do, it's all about convenience and choice, and that's the whole game here. When customers walk in, they don't want to wait for associates to do their job. They don't want to wait for anything, really. They want something fast, something easy, and something compelling, and that's what this experience is.
Teamwork is kind of the glue that puts it all together. It provides basic inventory control, basic sales, order management, a variety of retail functions, but it's built with the idea of removing any and all friction, any and all division about these different channels, and instead incorporating them as one common vision. That's Teamwork Retail.